Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Expedia promo codes. So first of all, you have to go to their website and then you should see a screen like this. Then scroll down to the area titled current coupon and offers and click on the coupons or offers that you want. Be sure to read the terms and conditions too. Depending on the coupon, you may need to enter your email address on or your phone number. For the coupon, when you enter your phone number, Expedia can send you a text message. Click the white box inside the yellow box, type in the required information and then click send. When you get the email or text from Expedia, click on the words highlighted in the blue in the email to add it to your Expedia account. Only if it's just an account coupon, or else write down the code for newsletter if it's a code coupon. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to find Expedia promo codes. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.